How to fix Skype's app crashing on Android. First things first, you have to understand that the Skype application has been officially retired on May 5 of 2025, and it has been replaced by Microsoft Teams. Now, to clear the cached application or to fix the app crashing issue, you simply have to go ahead and then search for the Microsoft Teams application. Once you find it, you simply have to go ahead and long press the application icon from the app drawer. Tap on this I option to access the app info panel. Scroll down to the storage and cache option. Now you simply have to go ahead and clear the cache. Once you do this, you simply have to go ahead and reload or relaunch the application itself, and your problem should be fixed. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.